What's up, guys? This is Shauna with LivBay Lash. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. We are going to be demonstrating a set with both our tweezer attachment and our lamp. Just keep in mind, Mike and I just did a really great quality control on all things UV, so you will not be disappointed with the UV adhesive. Let's get into it. Here we have Desi with LivBay. She's been with us for years. She's going to be doing the UV fill. We're using our mini Luv Struck tweezer attachment and these tweezers that do come with the kit for our UV fill. My favorite thing about UV is a limited prep time, so you only have to lash bath. Any other product like a primer, it may interrupt the bond with the UV light, so we love just to use a lash bath. We do have reusable UV iPads now on our website, and they will be included with the kits that we have on sale this weekend. Just keep in mind, these are disposable, but make sure you're always wearing UV iPads for your client on the top and the bottom. We're using our Pure Love UV adhesive. I love clear adhesive better than black adhesive because it actually cures a lot faster and more balanced, in my opinion. It doesn't have to go through the color pigment of the carbon black. With UV, it is an instant cure and you do not need to leave the UV light on very long at all. It's basically a flash cure, and it's going to be that instant bond to where you can literally just go right to the next lash and you can lash. It's probably one of the best things with being a lash artist because you don't have to deal with stickies like you normally do with traditional lash adhesive. UV lash adhesive still has a cyanacrylate in it, but it depends on that UV light to hit the photo initiator that is one of the ingredients in the UV glue to activate and create that bond instantly. Shop our UV kit sale at livbaysupplies.com.